O eto na, para sa mga nangungulit sa akin about the Vivo V50 Lite 5G, hawak ko na siya right now, finally, and i-unbox ko just for you. So, tinan nyo ang full unboxing experience natin. So, eto na yung kanyang box. So, Vivo V50 Lite 5G, and, you know, comes with AI. Honestly, guys, I was really surprised na ang bilis, sunod-sunod ang labas ni Vivo. And by the way, this is a 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and ang color niya is gold. No? Magandang kanyang design ng kanyang camera bump, and this is a 50MP na main camera sensor with a 8MP na ultra-wide lens, and nandiyan ka na Aura ring light, which I think this is the most pinaka-trademark ng V series ni Vivo. And flat na flat ang kanyang likod, so medyo makanto siya konti dito. And medyo shiny ang sides niya, so expect mo fingerprints. And likod niya is matte finish naman, so okay. So this is how it looks like sa ibabaw. And ito naman itsura na dito sa ilalim. Now, one good thing naman dito sa kanya is malaki ang kanyang battery. Now, this time around, binigyan siya ng 6,500 mAh ang battery with 90 watts na fast charging support. Imagine nyo guys, no? It's really powerful. Para sa akin, personally speaking, ang device na ito, si Vivo V50 Lite, no? And it's being powered by the Dimensity 6300. So, ako, personally, if you're not really too much of a power-hungry guy, and yet you want a good camera, I think you can always consider this phone. So, okay, di ba? Maganda experience ko sa V40 Lite. So, I expect din na maganda rin dito sa V50 Lite. So, yeah, nakita nyo yung pinaka initial first impression natin sa V50 Lite. So, let's just check the other stuff inside. So, you have your 90 watts of charging brick, you have your A2C cable, some charging user guides, and of course, yung kanyang jelly case. Now, if you're interested to know more about the device natin, si Vivo V50 Lite, so don't forget to follow me for the full review netong phone na ito. So, I'll see you soon.